Pavement. Pavement. Paul Thomson. Panda Bear. Panda Bear. Owen Pallett. Albums has a good home. He poos clouds, young Canadian mothers, Heartland, many lives, 49 MP more, Owen Pallett, 72 of 77 celebrities who are secret geeks, 349 of 419, the best experimental bands / artists, 54 of 159, the best Baroque pop bands / artists. Nick O'Malley. Nicholas McCarthy. Neutral Milk Hotel. Neutral Milk Hotel. Miles Kane. Albums: The Age of the Understatement. Don't Forget Who You Are, First of My Kind, Inhaler, Color of the Trap. Tundra. Albums mastered by Guy at the Exchange. Matt Helders. Albums Late Night Tales, Matt Helders. Lou Barlow. Albums Winning Losers, Goodnight Unknown, Wasted Pieces, 8793. Another collection of home recordings. Jeff Hynes. Albums Cupid Deluxe, Falling Off the Lavender Bridge, Postal Routes, Life is Sweet, Nice to Meet You, Team Perfect, Evergreen Days, Nimrod. Leatherface. Leatherface. King Creosote. Fortet. Junior Boys. Junior Boys. Juana Molina. Juana Molina. Jon Hopkins. Jon Hopkins. Jamie Cook. James Yorkston. James Yorkston. Hood. Hood. Fridge. Fridge. Franz Ferdinand. Elliott Smith. Elliott Smith. Dirty Projectors. Deakin. David Berman. Come. Come. Clinic. Clinic. Clearlake. Clearlake. McCombs. Albums A Dropping the Writ, Windwheel and Others, Humorist Wits End. Dan Snaith. Dan Snaith. Bonde Do Roll. Albums with Lasers, Marina Gasolina, Office Boy, Milo do Tabaco, Solto Frango. Bill Wells. Bill Wells. Avey Tare. Albums: Spirit They're Gone, Spirit They Vanished, Pull Hair Why, Hollandaise Dance Manatee. Arctic Monkeys. Arctic Monkeys. Archie Bronson Outfit. Archie Bronson Outfit. Anna Calvi. Albums: Anna Calvi, One Breath, Strange Weather, Desire, Suzanne and I. Animal Collective. Albums: Merriweather Post Pavilion, Strawberry Jam, Spirit They're Gone, Spirit They Vanished. Feels More. Animal Collective, the best Animal Collective songs of all time, the best Animal Collective albums, ranked. Alex Turner. Alex Turner. Alex Capranos.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.